Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 ML350 4MATIC. This one is a diamond white metallic. Underneath it is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. An almond beige MB text interior with a eucalyptus wood trim. Sunroof. ML350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set all season floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Lane tracking package with blind spot assist. Lane keep assist. Premium package with memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls. Pedal shifters for extra performance. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for the radio. Heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. Turning wheel for our infotainment center. This ML has 77,109 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.